foggy, fatigued, or like your brain isn't firing on all cylinders, the Cognitive Wellness Panel helps you uncover the root causes of brain fog, energy dips, and inflammation while supporting your heart and long-term wellness. Did you know 60% of adults globally are deficient in omega-3s, a critical nutrient for brain and heart health?
Your heart health directly impacts your brain health. That's why we measure and look at your lipid profile and heart-brain connection, total cholesterol, LDL, HDL, and triglycerides to assess cardiovascular risks. The TCHDL ratio and HDL-TG ratio, which offer deeper insights into your heart's health and insulin sensitivity. Elevated cholesterol is a risk factor for both heart disease and cognitive decline. Next, we evaluate essential nutrients that fuel your body and mind. Vitamin D, vital for mood, immunity, and chronic disease prevention. Vitamin B12 and folate, which support nerve health, red blood cell production, and memory. Homocysteine, a key marker for heart and brain health. Elevated levels can increase your risk of cognitive decline and stroke. Your omega balance shapes your body's ability to fight inflammation and protect your brain. We measure EPA and DHA omega-3s, which is critical for reducing inflammation and supporting cognitive health. The omega-3 omega-6 ratio, which reveals whether your body is primed to fight or fuel inflammation. And the AA-EPA ratio, a key indicator of your body's long-term inflammation control. We also assess HbA1c, providing a clear picture of your blood sugar trends over time. Elevated levels can signal prediabetes or diabetes, both of which impact your heart, brain, inflammation, and overall wellness. Brain fog, low energy, and inflammation can feel overwhelming, but they don't have to define your life. With the Cognitive Wellness Panel, you'll identify nutrient gaps, inflammation triggers, and early warning signs of chronic conditions. The Cognitive Wellness Panel gives you powerful insight into the connections between your heart, brain, and overall health. By addressing nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, and metabolic imbalances, this test empowers you to take control of your wellness. It's a comprehensive approach to optimizing your cognition and vitality. Your health is too important to leave to guesswork. With the Cognitive Wellness Panel, you'll gain actionable insights to optimize your brain function, reduce inflammation, and protect your heart, all from the comfort of home. Take control of your health today. Order your test and unlock the clarity, energy, and wellness you deserve. Don't guess, test. Our mission is to equip you with the insights you need to make confident, informed decisions about your health. With our reliable testing, you can uncover the hidden factors affecting your well-being and take actionable steps toward achieving a sharper mind and stronger body.